Forbes has recently added Pi Network to its digital assets listings section, marking a significant milestone for the cryptocurrency industry. Pi Network, a decentralized digital currency project, has experienced a significant surge in value, with a marginal increase of over 12.9%. This surge in value coincides with the announcement of inclusion, which could potentially have an impact on the project's future growth and success. Pi Network is a project that seeks to establish a decentralized digital currency that can be used by ordinary individuals. It has been experiencing a gradual increase in its popularity over the past few months. The network's approach is distinct in that it enables users to mine cryptocurrency directly from their mobile phones, which enhances accessibility and inclusivity in comparison to conventional crypto mining techniques. I would appreciate if you can drop your thought about this analysis, and also, don't forget to write Pi Network to the moon in the comments section. Without too much waste of time, let's dive deep into the topic of the day, shall we? The potential of Pi Network has been recognized by Forbes, a reputable source for financial and business news. As a result, Forbes has chosen to feature Pi Network in its digital assets listing section. The recent move made by Pi Network has strengthened its position in the cryptocurrency market and attracted the attention of potential investors and enthusiasts. Forbes' inclusion of Pi Network in their digital assets listings section follows a notable increase in the cryptocurrency's worth. The price of Pi Network experienced a significant increase of 12.9%, indicating a rise in confidence and interest in the project. Pi Network distinguishes itself from other cryptocurrencies through its unique consensus algorithm, called the proof of engagement. Pi Network adopts a unique approach to secure its network and validate transactions by utilizing social trust and user engagement, instead of relying solely on computational power for mining. The approach has gained significant popularity and has been adopted by a large number of users across the globe, with millions of people using it. The Pi Network's recent listing on Forbes is anticipated to increase visibility and potentially attract more investment prospects for the project. The endorsement from the influential platform is expected to appeal to both institutional and retail investors. These investors are showing a growing interest in digital assets that are considered reliable and promising. The Pi Network team is dedicated to achieving their goal of establishing a decentralized and inclusive currency that can have a positive impact on people worldwide, as the network continues to gain traction. The developers of the network are currently focused on improving its infrastructure, security, and usability in order to provide users with a smooth and uninterrupted experience. Forbes' inclusion of Pi Network in its digital assets listing is a noteworthy achievement for the project, as it enhances its credibility and potential within the cryptocurrency market. Pi Network is a cryptocurrency platform that seeks to revolutionize the mining and utilization of digital currencies through its innovative approach and expanding user base. The Pi Core team's vision is to make the Pi coin valuable to everyday people. I would appreciate if you can drop your thought about this analysis, and also, don't forget to write Pi Network to the moon in the comments section. Pi Network, a network of tens of millions of people who mine the Pi cryptocurrency in order to use and develop the Web3 app ecosystem, announced a number of company milestones today, including a significant increase in full-time core team members, the release of multiple apps, and new advancements to its native KYC ID review algorithms. Despite the general decline in the cryptocurrency market, the Pi core team is still growing, indicating the Pi Network ecosystem's rapid growth and long-term goals. Since February 2022, the number of full-time team members has increased by more than 33% in critical areas such as product, engineering, and community. One of Pi Network's most recent hires is a senior engineering manager, who will provide additional bandwidth to the company's technical management. The Pi core team currently has around 40 members and is growing as the network and ecosystem mature. The development of the core team at Pi Network will continue to allow for more decentralized efforts from our community's more than 35 million active users who are all contributing to the network's construction. The goal of Pi Network is to enable those users to create and use utilities via its developer platform and Pi apps, in line with Pi's vision of a blockchain-based ecosystem to support a new Web3 social network with a large community. According to Chengdiao Fan, Pi Network's founder and head of product, an all-hands effort from pioneers, community developers, outside partners, and the core team is required to build toward that lofty goal. By prioritizing the human aspect, focusing on building substance and adopting non-consensus long-term strategies, we've taken a more careful and deliberate path. We know that patience isn't a strength in the crypto space, but we're confident in our approach. That's why we've been able to continue the network's steady growth, despite the downturn we've seen impacting some other crypto projects, the team emphasized. Pi Network has also made significant progress on the product and ecosystem fronts with several upgrades and developments. Because of the current enclosed network phase of the mainnet, Pi can focus on completing KYC and mainnet migration for the majority of the network and building the Pi ecosystem from the ground up with useful apps and utilities without undue interference from outside forces. Pi has been rigorously improving its KYC ID algorithms to increase access to its native KYC solution, which will be formally introduced on March 14 and will serve as the primary method for validating pioneers' identities for mainnet migration. Since June of last year, when bulk KYC became possible, Pi has successfully validated over 3.8 million pioneers. PiOS, Pi's open-source software license, is just one example of the significant efforts Pi has made to develop developer platform features and increase community collaboration to foster Pi ecosystem growth. The Pi Brainstorm app, where pioneers can propose and explore different ideas, as well as collaborate with like-minded pioneers to build genuine Pi platform apps, as well as other ecosystem-related upgrades, include work on app-to-user payments and developer wallets for improved mainnet payment flows. Pi has also prioritized app development through apps created by the core team, external commercial collaborations, and the most recent Pi Hackathon, which attracted over 6,400 participants, in order to better source talent, ideas, and utilities for the community. With the much-anticipated Pi Day, which celebrates the 4th anniversary of Pi's official launch happening this March 14th, we have some exciting programs in the pipeline that we are eager to introduce to the pioneers and developers for our decentralized efforts to build the Pi ecosystem, said Dr. Nicholas Kokkeles, a founder and head of technology. Although pioneers around the world have begun exchanging Pi for goods and services, the controversy that quietly exists is between the different prices. Some people are claiming that there is a consensus of $314,519 for a single Pi coin, while many more are saying that the price should be at $314 for a single Pi, which they claim to be a more realistic price for Pi. If you have not subscribed, this will be the best time to click the notification button to get notified when a new video is uploaded. Leave a thumbs up if you appreciate this video, and also don't forget to share. Keep mining.